Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2022 SEMA Show and I came across this very cool Chevy Blazer I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it. So come to find out it's a 72, but that's all the more information I've found out. MaePearl is its name. I've searched. There's a thing on the window. I couldn't make it work, you know, I'm an old dude. So all I know is cool, and this thing is cool. I'm absolutely in love with it. If you watch the Nothing But Cool video of the cars that I didn't shoot features on, this one was in it, and I commented that I didn't have enough footage to make a feature, but I had over 1,000 clips. So when I started sorting stuff out, you know, getting through them, I found some more clips so I could make a video on it. And again, the rest of it is true. I don't know what happened there. I got an email saying, hey, we're gonna have this cool Blazer there, Scotty. You liked our C10 a few years ago. And I'm like, yeah, no doubt about it, you know? So I go and I shoot some video and I email him and he gave me his phone number and I texted him and nothing. 3 days of nothing. So, I don't know. I must have made him mad somehow. I didn't mean to. But back to this Blazer, I absolutely love all these Roadster Blazers that are laying on the ground. Jimmy's, Blazers, you know, you could probably use the MaePearl, and I'd be cool with that. I just love that two-door SUV, hot rod kind of look, you know. I think that it's very utilitarian and that you can take people with you, and that's always fun. It's no fun to cruise by yourself. Well, sometimes. But I never could catch it with the hood open. I would suspect there's probably a small block Chevrolet of something underneath there. But who knows? Could be a big block, could be an LS, could be old school, could be new. Again, I just couldn't get that information. And it's SEMA, I understand. I mean, man alive, it is, if you've never been, there's no way to put SEMA into words. It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. It's a week that seems like a month. And you're so beat up by the time Friday gets there, you're just crawling to the airport or, you know, however it is you're getting home and trying to make that last little bit, that last little leg to get home. But this 72 Blazer, like I said, I love the script on the back. I love the color. I'm always a big fan of when they make access so that you can see all that suspension and rear end and, you know, all that stuff in the back. I absolutely love that. And there they use the extra space for a little bit of design. So well thought out, very cool, dude. You know, whoever's building these, and that blue one I shot a few years ago, I was a huge fan of that one too, man. If you've not seen that, I think it's like a 67 or something, I'm not sure. But SEMA 2000 something. Very cool. Sitting out front of the main hall there. And I wish. I thought I was all over this one. I was so excited. It was like, you know, I'll just come back tomorrow and everything will be fine. I'll have somebody here that'll help me out. But it just never happened. So luckily, unbeknownst to me, even myself, sometimes I save myself from myself. And I shot enough clips to make it all work. But I love the interior color, the body color, the trim color. I mean, you know, the dash. I'm just a fan, man. This one and most of the others that are out there. So there you go from the 2022 SEMA Show, a very cool 1972 K5 Blazer Roadster. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.